Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rashmi. Today I will guide you in choosing right hair serum according to your hair type. If you are having dry and damaged hair, look for serums with nourishing oils like argan oil or coconut oil. For frizzy hair, to smoothen the hair cuticles, silicone or dimethicone can provide a sleek finish. People who are having thin and fine hair should choose lightweight serums that won't weigh down their hair. Volumizing agents can add body and texture. People with curly hair, they should look out for ingredients like shea butter or glycerin, which will add moisture to their hair. For color-treated hair, serums that offer UV protection will prevent the color fading. And people with oily hair should opt for lightweight water-based serums. It will be a boon for them. Thank you. Hope it helps.